In this demonstration, we show the users how to convert master model drawings such as we're seeing right now into a PMI objects. First, we see that there's not a whole lot of PMI in the model file. Let's go back, look at the drawing. As we navigate through the different views, we see each views are being highlighted. And as we see that being highlighted, next thing what we want to do is we want to go ahead and activate the conversion. As we go through the convert to PMI, we see the preview. In that there's two dimensions are not highlighted. What we want to do next is just go ahead and edit those two dimension has not been highlighted, so fix some of these error. We see that as we activate that, our first object is selected cylindrical, but our second object is selected the silhouette edge. We convert that back to an edge of the face. Likewise, we see that the same thing occurred. In this case, both instances are highlight to a silhouette edge. We want to convert that, so we'll go ahead and pick the proper face of that on the first object, likewise for the second object. Once that is done, we go back and do a convert to PMI. We will see that both of those dimensions are not highlighted. Now that is what we want. We'll go ahead and execute this conversion. It's going to take a few seconds to get this to be done. And once that's done, let's go ahead and navigate into our master model file. We see in our part navigator now, we have additional views are being generated. And these views are being created by the details from the original views. We see each one of those all contain the appropriate PMI in those particular view. Let's take a look at this particular view. This view is our right view. That's where we have our all of our sections. We also see that all of our 3D section plane are properly defined with all those PMI information. Likewise, as we go down into all the detail section of that, we see all the PMI is listed in those views. And this is how we would convert a 2D drawing from the master model file into a 3D PMI.